Hey guys, this is Julie. It's Sunday, December 17th. Going to be looking at the SPX and the JP Morgan hedged fund going into year end. They use a hedged fund allowing their $27 billion of institutional customers who try to stay long in the equity markets year round. They provide them protection with this long put and a short put. So anything between the long put and the short put, they're not losing money. And for that protection, they can participate in the market up to their short call. Well, currently we have blown through the short call to the upside significantly, and the thesis is there's still time point wise to get back to the 45.15 strike before year end because they typically will close the quarter out within the structure of this um, hedge. But since they're already hedged, why not just go ahead and hit the target? In this instance, the target is those upper highs that were made in 2022, right around 48, 21, whatever it is, 48.20, and in January of 2022. So are we going to do replicate that, take out these highs, which I think is given the low volatility that we're at, there's no fear currently in the market. So have that continue through the year end and get a new all-time high in the market. So that seems to be the prevalent situation. And then we see the calendar day distribution. And in the calendar day distribution, you get a little bit different picture. You're running into the quarterly one, which is resistance. And we have been at this resistance for 2 days now. So if they're using the calendar days, it may show that they're going to be bringing this back a little bit. So their long put may offset the lost opportunity gain and even surprisingly provide a smidgen of a profit on that trade because that long put is still going, right? So just because if they've exceeded the upside of that collar, short collar, short call, excuse me, doesn't mean that they're necessarily totally out of the opportunity cost because of that long put. But with all said and done, we won't know whether that is the resistance or they're going to take it up to the 4800. Uh, the only thing you can use is your logic and the way that this quarterly won and their call wall was broken and they remain hedged to the upside. Pure alpha honey for them. Why not, take it up to the high, let them get their profits, book it for year end, and then bring it back into the value for January as the normal rotation ensues as people rotate in and out of their positions. So, you say potato, I say potato. Are we looking at the quarterly distribution, the 3 month, or are we looking at the 90-day distribution? Big difference. So it's good to have these levels, and I've taken time to provide them to you on the Substack. So let me show you what that looks like. And you can subscribe to the Substack now and come over and get agriculture, currencies, energies, equities, fixed income, forex, indexes, and metals. So if you wanted to look at your indexes, you can now come in and get calendar days and trade days separate. So you can come in and get these levels. Yesterday came right up to the 90-day right here, 1188. on the VIX, or 42.99. Or excuse me, 47.35. What am I talking about? 47.35, and tagged it. And same thing on the VIX. 1188 served as support. So you had 1188 and 47.35. So you have it all on one screen right here, right? In advance, before the morning, before your day even starts. I give you both levels. And so we can do this on all the markets. We update the charts in the morning, so you get your indexes and the charts where the pre-market is. I'm thinking about doing a 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock posting also. Here's that 1188 showing the VIX support. Um, we'll do some Globex levels for after hours. We'll add that for you. And you can also, interestingly, get this on a Harkster. So Harkster is a fantastic publication if you're not familiar with it. A fantastic publication. So what you are able to do is be reviewing your favorite information about the markets, Wall Street Journal, um, Seeking Alpha. Um, you can subscribe to um, equities, commodities, however you like, macro. You can customize your channels to put the content that you would like to have. Um, Add feeds, just like a tweet deck. Bank publications, central banks, government agencies, financial press, independent publications, podcasts. So you can pull your news from all of your sources in your own customizable tweet deck, right? It is brilliant, right? So you can curate the news that you want to see. And currently, Jats is also available. And so you can add J-Auto trading strategies to your Harkster. And if you were reading, like I said, about something and wanted to go and look at a chart and pull up the bonds and see where those distributions might be on any time frame, daily, monthly, weekly, you have it right here at your fingertip. And so you would know what your expected ranges would be for the day, for the week, or for the month. So, I think that that would be something that might be interesting to a lot of you. So, all the asset classes. Sorry, I didn't mean to close that. So you can pull up charts. Like I said, you can look at a monthly chart or that quarterly 90-day combined chart at a moment's notice, and just take a look and see where your support resistance might be coming in at any point in time. This is the ES. So it's reaching its 90-day at the same time that the SPX is reaching its 90-day, which is another consideration for resistance, and maybe why the market has paused for 2 days at this level. All right. Um, Thank you so much. Take a look at Harkster, take a look at Jats PT, and always know that you are able to get these indicators yourself. Come to the website on NinjaTrader, and you have access to the actual indicator itself to put on your chart. All right. And so you can be running your own hedging model for yourself, whether you're day trading or um, option trading for, scalping or long-term positional trading. All right. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.